मेरे को नहीं चलाना, नहीं मेरे को नहीं चलाना।
हे गाइस, सो वी हैव रीच्ड फुकेत और आज हम लोग जाने हैं फीफी आइलैंड। बहुत ही अमेजिंग, अपने विजुअल्स के लिए मशहूर, अपनी सीनिक व्यूज़ के लिए मशहूर, अपने एरियाज़ के लिए मशहूर। दिस आइलैंड इज़ अ मस्ट go if you are visiting Phuket. So here are the details. So this is the whole package of Phi Island, which contains Maya Bay to Khai Island, and you will have all the details here in this pamphlet. You will find this pamphlet पूरे पतोंग बीच में सब जगह देर आर मल्टीपल टूर्स एंड ट्रैवल्स एजेंसी जो ये दे रहे होंगे. सो देयर इज़ द टूर प्रोग्राम जो शुरू होता है. इट स्टार्ट्स एट 7:30 AM एंड इट इज़ अ होल डे प्रोग्राम. तो सुबह जाना शाम को आना. These are the attractions that are covered along with the prices. So you will see all the visuals in this video, like the places we visited, the activities we did there, and the amount for this. Here it is written 3400 baht for adult and 2400 baht for child. However, we booked it for 1800 baht per person, so it was quite reasonable for us. And it was a great tour by the speedboats. में 1.5 hour लगा था to reach Phuket. And here are all the itinerary, full itinerary, which is like what are the things that are included, what do you have to carry. And this is the map that you can see there are Phuket, there is Khai Nai Island, Khai Nok Island. Then you visit the viewpoint, Monkey Beach, then Viking Cave, and everything is there. So take the screenshot of this one or pause the video to know each and every detail minutely and book your package beforehand. You can book it through ClueCap as well, I guess. Now it's time for our day to start. We had our pickup arranged from the hotel itself, so you don't have to go anywhere. They come to the place of your hotel itself. They pick you up and they drop you as well to the hotel that you are staying in. So it took us like 20 to 30 minutes to reach our location, where there was a guide. So we were given some morning breakfast, and there was the guide who informed us about everything. So this was the place, Sea Blue, and this is the guide who has explained us everything. And we boarded our boat and left for our journey of the day. It was beautiful day that we have spent there. Please carry sunscreens and umbrellas if you want. And water bottles, वैसे पानी मिलेगा. You will get like water bottles, watermelon and like fruits. वो बोट स्पीड बोट पे आपको देते हैं एज अ स्नैक आफ्टरवर्ड्स. सो आवर फर्स्ट लोकेशन जो था हमारा खाई आइलैंड था, वेयर यू आर लाइक you get a minimum stoppage of 1 hour, in which you can do jet ski or snorkeling and scuba diving as well. So this is the Khai Island that you can see. यहाँ पे दे विल चार्ज यू टू बुक अ सीट, बट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं. यू कैन लीव द बैग्स ऑन द बोट इट सेल्फ और चेंज करके जाना. सो देर आर टॉयलेट्स, बट इफ़ यू गो टू द टॉयलेट दे विल चार्ज. So we did jet ski for 700 baht for both of us. So we asked them to give a minute, 5 minutes time for us to take the jet ski in the ocean and अकेले जाने का. तो दे अग्रीड. थोड़ा सा कम्युनिकेशन इशू होगा, बट दे स्टिल अंडरस्टैंड अ लॉट इन कंपैरिजन टू एक्चुअल फुकेत वाला एरिया.
नहीं मेरे को नहीं चलाना, नहीं मेरे को नहीं चलाना.
After our jet ski, we did snorkeling. I think we got just 20 to 25 minutes because I changed it at the start, and then we did for jet ski like 20 minutes around. So हमारे पास बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं मिला था, but it was a great experience, guys. Then our next location was Monkey Beach. यहाँ पे आपको 10 minutes का halt मिलता है. You can click pictures, and then you leave for your another location, which is the main Phi Island, if I say, which has the most like tourist. And it is a stop where you have your lunch and you can have like do your purchases. There is a shopping area पूरा वहाँ पे अंदर जाके. सो दे अच्छा, द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ दे प्रोवाइड बोथ वेजिटेरियन एंड नॉन वेजिटेरियन फूड, and the food was quite decent. Like, it was not very yum, but it was quite decent to eat, and you can purchase a lot of things. However, I found it those things a little bit expensive as compared to the things in Phuket. Phuket is much cheaper, so there is a whole market in Phuket which you can explore. We actually got things for our friends and family for around 2-3,400 baht. पता नहीं कितना कुछ हमने वहाँ पे फ्रिज मैग्नेट्स मैग्नेट्स और पता नहीं क्या कुछ खरीद लिया था. So that is that. So this is the location and this is the food that was provided to us. Great meal, good meal. Don't eat too much because speedboat में दिक्कत हो जाती है. So take care of that. Then we had headed to our next location, which was the Viking Caves. I loved that place very much. You will see long tail boats in the videos. वो यहीं की होती हैं. This is the place which has amazing scenic views. Oh my god, these are the Viking Caves and these are the boats. So they charge around 600 baht for you to go on the boat and take the pictures, and they will just roam around for 10 minutes and just take the pictures. So I did that, but unfortunately मेरी pictures नहीं हो पाई थी क्योंकि रोहित साथ नहीं गया था और मैं किसी को बोल नहीं पाई. So yeah, उसके बाद we took another 15-20 minutes halt snorkeling का. So it was a area जो उन्होंने बनाया हुआ था where you can do snorkeling. It was very nice. मेरे को बहुत डर लग रहा था, मैंने तब मना कर दिया था, बट मेरे को गाइड लेके गया एंड वी डिड. तो दिस इज़ द माया बे गाइस. यहाँ पे इतना ज़्यादा ग्रिम सिचुएशन हो गई थी दैट वी हैव टू लीव फ्रॉम दैट लोकेशन. वी कुडंट सी द व्यू पॉइंट क्योंकि वहाँ पे इतना ज़्यादा वेव्स हो गई थी कि बोट एकदम बहुत बुरी तरह मूव कर रही थी. सो दिस वॉज अ लास्ट पिट स्टॉप. यू कैन सी ये बस दूर से इन्होंने दिखा दिया और ये हमें वापस ले गए. पता नहीं क्यों दिखाया था, कुडंट अंडरस्टैंड द रीज़न, बट ओके. सो इसमें जो इन्होंने एक लिखा हुआ था बनाना बोट वाला और क्लियर बोट वाला, वो हमारा मिस हुआ, विच वी रिग्रेटेड आफ्टर वी केम बैक. वी डेंट रियलाइज इट वाइल ऑन द ट्रिप बिकॉज वहाँ पे वी वर हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़ बैक टू बैक और इतना ज़्यादा ट्रैवल हो रहा था. सो वी एक्चुअली वर एग्जॉस्टेड एज वेल. So I think that is that, but be careful of the package that you take, with whom you take. I think everybody is good, there is no point in that, like there is no doubt. But yeah, so book your Phi Phi Island tickets, and if you want any other information related to Phuket or Bangkok or the trip that I had, do drop in the comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.